Yo, what's up? Slick Paris in the house. Let's do something. So in a minute, I'm going to show you how to make a nice refresher at home. But before we start, please subscribe on the button, subscribe below on my YouTube channel to support. And thank you so much for the guys who've been supporting me. I really appreciate as we get to learn. So I'll need several items to be able to make this nice refresher that is needed during this summertime. So guys, you'll need several items to be able to make a very nice refresher. Of course, you'll need your blender, some ice cubes, some lemon, some mint, and maybe a squeezer. You need some sugar syrup, and finally you'll need some water. We'll start by putting a bunch of mint leaves, depending with how you like your mint leaves flavor. Then we'll go on and squeeze some lemon. So our lemon juice is around 50 ml. So I'll put some sugar syrup. Then I'll put some ice cubes, just to be able to make a thick drink and very refreshing. Then I'll just a little bit of water. Then let's make our lemon and mint, or lemon and nut. So my lemon and mint is ready. If you want it to be more greener, you can add some mint leaves. If you want it to be more liquidish, you can add some water. Looks so nice. So I'll take my glass, then I'll serve it. There is your lemon and mint. Then I'll take some garnish I prepared over here. I'll put some mint leaf on top, just for garnishing to make it look so nice. Then I'll put some lemon, and your lemon and mint is ready. Gigi! So here we go. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always following up, and enjoy your lemon and mint. And in case you have any question, please feel free to write on the comment box. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Boom.